February 6th, 2010. Blizzard conditions and the dogs want to go out. Who let the dogs out? Go, 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 go. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Hi, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's snowing out. It's snowing out. Hey. Hey. It's a blizzard. It's a day not fit for man or beast. Coming to you from Toms River, New Jersey. The Jersey Shore. We got some heavy drifts here. Let's see. Let's measure. There's about a foot of snow so far. And the dogs are having a blast. Hi, sweetie. Hiya. Hey. Hey, Bodie boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Making some yellow snow. Molly Moo, what are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? It's still coming down, huh? Hey, look at him. Hey, whoa. It's coming down. Yay! Hey! Look at you! Look at you! Look at you! Look at you guys! Hope you guys are having fun in Florida. 70-something degrees. Molly, Florida, where you were born, guess what? Sunny in the 70s, maybe 80 today. And this is the Northeast. New Jersey. There goes Bodie. What's he doing? Making yellow snow. Is he? No, he's making oh, caught that. Good boy. Good boy. I can't find the ball. I don't know where it is. Do you know where it is? I don't know. I don't know, Bodie boy. I don't know where the ball is. Is it time to play baseball? Spring training's a week away, I think. It starts. Good luck in the Northeast, right? Yeah, sit by the fire there, buddy. Don't eat the snow. He's eating the snow. No, that's just water. He's thirsty. Got a nice fire going on. What the heck? Here's the Weather Channel. Bada bing. Bada bing, bada boodah. Big storm going on in the Northeast. Should they ration milk, bread, and other supplies? Yeah, right. That's going to happen. Because people have to go out and... Oh, we got her now. She's warming up. Get the snow off. Yeah. Is it nice and warm by the fire? Yeah. We're making breakfast right now. Bodie's waiting on his breakfast. You gonna have eggs, buddy? Yeah, eggs. We got the eggs going. I don't know. Begs? That's what Karen used to say. We have begs? Let's see. Oh, that's going pretty good. Where's the Molly Moo? Nice little breakfast going on. Look out the window. Look at that snow. This guy's waiting for his breakfast. He's waiting intently. You hungry, boy? You're hungry? Yeah. All right. I know. You're always hungry. You're always hungry. Sit down, buddy. Sit. Gotta sit. Gotta sit, Bodie boy. Oh, you waiting for your breakfast? What are you waiting for? You're waiting on those eggs, aren't you? You got your food going on over there? All right. What do we got in there so far? You're waiting there, buddy? All right. All right. Here you go. Get the eggs finished. All right. And you know what's good? In the dog world, right? I am a chef in the dog world. I am the Emerald Lagasse in the dog world. They never complain about my food. Oh boy, look at that. Eggs. Who's gonna lick the spoon? Which one of you guys gonna lick the spoon? Which one, Bodie? Bodie, is Bodie's turn to lick the spoon? All right, here you go. Here, Bodie, you get that. You get that. There's that side. Molly, you get this side. There you go. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Is that good? All right, you guys ready to eat? On a blizzard day? Here's Molly first. Molly gets her food over here. There you go, sweetie. And then Bodie, he eats over here. This is where he eats. Here you go. There you go. See, I told you. Never a complaint in my restaurant. I am a chef in the dog world. Bam. Bam. Right? Bam. Good God. And how's your breakfast this morning, miss? Is it good? Oh, yeah. And sir, how's your breakfast? Can I get you anything else? Will that be all today? Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my restaurant. I do enjoy the eggs. Coupled with the pork, and the kibble is just prime. It's just perfect. Ew. Bodie, is that a good breakfast? Is that a good breakfast, buddy? Yeesh. Yeesh. Well, guten Tag. Oh, you're welcome, sir. You're from Germany? Oh. Guten Tag. Very good. And Molly Moo, you're from Florida, right? Sunny and 80 down there today. Not here, though. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on out here. Ooh, the snow day. Oh, boy. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's a blizzard. Yep. Two chow hounds here. I get the leftovers. That's mine right there. That's my breakfast. I'm gonna put some more coffee on. And yes, indeed. Yeesh. Let's go see what Curious John's doing. He's the neighbor. Curious John. He's always looking out. Let's see what he's doing. Let's see what we got going on here. Is he out? No. No. Battery's running low. There's the blizzard. The conditions. Oh my gosh, that's a good eater. Was that good? Oh yeah. And look at Bodie. He's chowing down. He's eating like there's no tomorrow. You gonna go back out? We'll wait for Bodie. You can go back out. All right. Yeah, Bodie, be out in a minute. Oh. Yes. You're raving about the breakfast, I hear. You're raving about the breakfast? Here he comes. Here he comes. Here you go. Go ahead, son. Go ahead. Okay. All right. Go out and go play. I'll be there in a little bit. I'll be there in a little bit. Oh, look at that. I'll be there in a little bit. All right. All right. Look at him. He's having fun. He's having fun. Look at him. He's enjoying himself. What the heck? What the heck?